Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show suggested replies Microsoft Outlook in computer. So how to show suggested replies Microsoft Outlook in computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To show suggested replies, just go. Direct the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is a setting icon. And tap. Here there are many menu options that you can use. Select the Mail menu. Now in the Mail menu there are many menus. Tap the Smart Suggestions menu. Now here it is in the Smart Suggestions menu. In the Suggested Replies menu section, tap Show Suggested Replies to activate. The function of Show Suggested Replies in Outlook is to display automatic reply suggestions based on the contents of the email. This feature helps users respond to messages quickly and efficiently. So that's it, the tutorial how to show suggested replies Microsoft Outlook in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.